Hi guys, I'm gonna show you today how I transform this feet from this to that. Although I'm very subconsciously not comfortable showing you my feet because I used to play ballet and they look kind of horrible, but bear with me. First thing first, I soak my feet in this foot bath thingy I got from the drugstore. You could use anything. You could use Epsom salt. You could use like rose petals, baking soda, regular soap. Anything actually works just to clean your feet. And I'm using this bubble bath, but that's unnecessary. Any tub works. Afterwards, before soaking my feet, I actually go on and cut them with some clippers to the desired length. Afterwards, I soak them, then I use the Sally Hansen cuticle remover to soften my cuticles. After that, I push my cuticles with that ceramic cuticle pusher. You could stop at that point, but I usually go on and remove any hangnails with this special clipper that you find in the drugstore as well. Then I get one of these food scrappers. They come in various ways. Like this one is like a basic regular one. I go on and scrub my feet to get rid of any dead skin cells. Then I use a feet scrub. This is like a peeling feet cream, something like that. It has small beads that removes all the dead skin. Also, it has a nice mint scent that cleanses my feet deeply from all the tiresome it goes through. Then I use some coconut oil. I get the coconut oil and I lather it around my feet. Then I use saran wrap to cover it up. That's to lock the moisture in. Afterwards, I use socks. Look how cute my socks are. They are my Primark Harry Potter socks. I love them. And usually I do that before I sleep or I sit around in it for a while. This look, you guys, it leaves my skin and my feet super soft and bougie. In order to put nail polish, I'm going to use some nail polish remover to remove the excess oil from my nails. Then I put on usually a pop of color. Then I go on with my own gel Sally Hansen top coat. I love that thing. Now my feet are ready for rocking the beach. I'm going to tell you now and announce the winners of my last video's giveaway. The first winner is going to be Snarky. The second winner is going to be Nancy Belal. And the third winner is going to be Melissa B. Please, you guys, send me on Instagram a private message or on Twitter or here on YouTube your address and your email so that I could send you the same package I actually have from my reusable pads. Have fun, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching that video. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.